What's going on, guys? Finley here from Randomness Blog. I'm just out at the minute and I'm about to go and get my hair cut because my hair is a bit of a mess today and it's very long and it needs cutting. And once I've done that, I'm gonna go and get a Subway for my lunch because I'm a boss. So yeah, I'll take you along with the ride, my YouTube friends. I don't know when Charlie will be uploading, but shout out to you, Charlie, because you've helped me with the whole YouTube thing since I started real on my old channels, but this is my first vlog one. So yeah, I'm just going into, I'm not going to tell you where because I might get my own personal stalker, but I'm just on the street. So yeah, I'll see you after my haircut. Right, okay guys, I've just gone and got my hair cut. Hope you like it. So now I'm off just across the high street and I'm gonna get my lunch from Subway. So yeah, oh, I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go get my food and I'll be right back. Right, okay then. So I've just got my Subway meal and I don't know what I got on now. I think that's my cup. Oh, well, whoever's done my Subway failed. It's falling apart. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna eat it now. Goodbye. Okay, guys, sorry about that little thing. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. Hope you enjoyed it. This was the first vlog that I've done. I don't know if there's any other videos uploaded to that channel yet. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.